2011 Chrysler 200 with the code P0302 is calling for the cylinder number 2 misfire. So that one is right here. So this is number 2. Okay, it's not really visible because in order to fix the problem we need to remove the intake manifold. Okay, so usually is the spark plug or the ignition coil, but you guys notice there's no way to test the coil or the spark plug. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the intake manifold, replace the spark plug and the coil, just to make sure that the problem gonna be solved. If you notice, this is what I always do. I put electrical tape, blue tape on any part that I disconnect. Yes, so I don't forget the time of the reconnection. Alright, so now that we have everything disconnected, here in the front gonna be two 10 millimeters, 1, 2, and then over here gonna be 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the other one? Right here somewhere. So, and in the back gonna be 2 more 10 millimeters, this one and this one. So in order to remove the intake manifold, you also guys gonna have to remove those brackets or lose them at least, so you guys can lift this up, the intake manifold up. So, and it looks like they are 13 millimeters deep socket. Alright, so it's enough. So be careful when you guys removing this because it's plastic. So just make sure you guys don't break anything. There you go, it's out. Actually it's only 7 bolts. I thought it was 8, but it's only 7. Okay, so the code to fix is the P0302. is main cylinder number 2. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we need to replace this. So make sure you put something there so you guys don't drop anything and goes inside the engine. There you go. It's only one connector for the ignition coil, 10 millimeter for the new one right here. Make sure it's the same. Yep. And I have the spark plug also. Yep, they're the same. Make sure that the spark plug is calibrated. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video right here. You guys know that the installation is the reverse of the remover, but also I recommend to replace the spark plugs, all the other 5. All right, thank you.